morning, good afternoon, good evening. Una welcome to First State Immigrant Solution. Don't tell where I drop video reach because of say no time to check time. And say make I come still come drop this one because of say nobody see pass God and favor don still dey come for government hand again. So wetin be the favor wey still come for this government hand again na I wan come tell us so na be REM wey dem dey call Reddito de Emergenza. So this REM wey be REM so na I wan come to way how the thing take dey play. If you know say for the month of April and the money wey you first dey benefit for government hand when you everything dey normal before COVID-19 wey dem dey call coronavirus oga come say the money come reduce and due to that your work still reduce and the money wey you receive for that month e no come reach the money wey you suppose to receive. So another opportunity dey say you fit apply for this Reddito de Emergenza. So wetin be the thing wey be dem need before you fit apply for this Reddito de Emergenza? You fit know say you get easel wey you know say dey below 15,000 euro, so you fit apply, or you get money wey dem dey call patrimonium or anything wey you know say e worth less than 20,000 euro, or you get money wey less than 10,000 euro for bank account, so na you go fit apply for all these things. And before you apply for your nuclear family or for any members of your family, e no dey receive any other money from government hand, whether you dey receive pension, you dey receive Reddito de Cittadinanza, or you dey receive any other benefit from government hand. So if you no dey receive any benefit from government hand and your work wey you first dey work, the money wey you dey receive come dey below the money wey you suppose to receive for the month of April, na im make government bring this thing come out because of say a causa de integrazione when my own show guy na poto the thing na nonsense dem pay nonsense. The money wey dem even pay per hour sef never reach 5k, but €4 na government take calculate for us. So the thing no be 80%, no be the money wey dem dey pay people, e even less than 70%. So more na by una sef see check am to live now for Italy now everywhere don ready, na only God na im go come help us o. So make God come help the children. So the document wey dem need wey you fit take apply for this Reddito de Emergenza, so wey money wan take drop, so you need codice fiscal, which is physical code, any document of identity, you need phone number, you need your email address, they also need IBAN, wetin be your account number for here wey dem drop the money put, how the money take dey play. Now I wan calculate for you. So as the money take dey play, so if you dey apply, the person na adult, na €400 dem go pay. So if you get 2 adult for your nuclear family, you go calculate that 400, you multiply am by 0.4, you understand me na, you get €160. That €160 you add am to the 400, e go come be 560 for 2 people. But if you come get pikin, you come multiply that money €400 by 0.2, you come add am to €400, na im be the money wey dem dey pay. So this Reddito de Emergenza, so you fit apply by yourself if you get speed, or if you get PIN number from INS, you fit by yourself apply through INS website, or you go through Patronato. If you go through Patronato, so dem fit help you fill the form, so that one you fit still use that one still take support yourself. So as you still get all these benefits, so in case say work come still dey good, dem go stop to dey pay am. But if work no still good, say your hours still dey reduce am as the thing still dey go, dem still continue to dey pay this money dey go. Na make me come say make I drop this Reddito de Emergenza, so that our people wey no still know about this money go know say this money still dey. And the thing dem start am since Friday, May 22, 2020 till June 30, wey the thing go take expire June 30, 2020. So May 22, 2020 to June 30, 2020 na this money go last for this application, for this money go last. So now I say may I come drop these things so that our people or my subscriber or my viewers wey you know say their money this Acaza Integration so wey oyibo dey call lay off e still reduce, so una still see apply for this one make we still see whether dem still pay. So no time to check time, una no forget to subscribe to this First Aid Immigrant Solution. Una bye bye.